Ever wondered how you can turn your coding skills into cash without a traditional job or degree? Well, in this video, we're diving deep into 5 proven strategies that can help you monetize your coding expertise. We're talking high RPM and CPM strategies here, folks. So stick around because this is the kind of knowledge that can change your life. First up, we've got freelancing. It's like the Wild West out there, but in a good way. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are teeming with clients looking for skilled developers. You can pick projects that match your interests and set your rates. It's all about building a solid portfolio and reputation. Think of it as your digital resume. The more projects you successfully complete, the more you can charge and the more freedom you have. Remember those high CPMs we talked about? Freelancing is a great way to tap into that potential. Next up, we're diving into the world of app development. This is where things get really interesting. Have a killer app idea? You can bring it to life and potentially generate passive income. Whether it's a productivity tool, a game, or something completely unique, the app stores are your marketplace. Think about in-app purchases, subscriptions, or even premium versions. The possibilities are endless and the revenue potential is huge. Don't underestimate the power of open source. It's not just about giving back to the community, although that's a huge plus. Many companies and organizations actively sponsor developers who contribute to their open source projects. You could even land a full-time gig based on your contributions. It's a great way to sharpen your skills, learn from others, and potentially get paid for it. Plus, it looks awesome on your resume. Ever thought about teaching others what you know? Creating educational content, whether it's online courses, tutorials, or even writing ebooks, can be a lucrative way to share your coding expertise. Platforms like Udemy and Skillshare have made it easier than ever to reach a global audience. Plus, you're helping others level up their skills, which is always a good thing. It's a win-win situation. For the truly competitive out there, competitive programming is a whole other beast. We're talking about high-stakes coding challenges with significant cash prizes. Websites like CodeChef and TopCoder host regular competitions where you can put your skills to the test and potentially walk away with some serious winnings. It's not for the faint of heart, but for those who thrive under pressure. It can be incredibly rewarding, both financially and intellectually. So there you have it, 5 powerful strategies to turn your coding skills into cold hard cash. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more content on making money through coding, and share this with your fellow developers.